Alright, so 3 times with new coals, and this has gone for an hour and a half. I checked it 20 to 30 minutes ago and it was pretty close. If you could just smell the smell in my house right now is unbelievable. So we're done. We're gonna take this out. Oh yeah. That is freaking ridiculous looking and hot. Sneak peek. Unbelievable. And again, please disregard the 18th century pot holders, but that looks phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. One mistake I did made, some of you probably caught it, I didn't add the melted butter or the soft butter to my wet mix. Totally spaced it out. I had it ready, so I melted it down by the fire and I added it after the fact. I took the top back off and I just poured it on top, and then I kind of just stuck my knife in so it would melt down in. Probably not the right answer, but hey ho, I totally spaced that out. But it looks and smells absolutely ridiculous. Alright, so the smell is incredible. It looks absolutely phenomenal. The edges are a little bit more browned, but nothing's burnt. So again, Dutch oven, there's a science to that. If you're using briquettes, usually a Dutch oven will come with how to use them as such, with how many briquettes on the bottom and the top for a certain temp and all that stuff. I know some registered Maine guides that do that to a T. Like, they can tell you exactly how many briquettes to cook a trout. And it's amazing in and of itself. I don't do that. I just kind of keep checking on it. Is my style, so that's what I did here. You seen earlier when I just took it out, it was puffed up. It's kind of settled now. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we're gonna find out. So we're just gonna add some homemade maple syrup to the top of one of these slices here that we're going to try out. This is made by a good buddy of mine in Western Massachusetts. Jason is his name. So appreciate that, buddy. But we're going to dive in here so I can hardly stand it. Yep, so a little more crispy on the edge, and that's fine. Let's see if I can get it out of here in one piece. Survey says winning. That's hot. Don't do that. So again, just a little drizzle of the maple syrup. There, I think you can see. Pure Massachusetts maple syrup. enough jib jabbing. Consistency seems good for a bread pudding. Ooh, still a little warm. Woo. Wow. That was delicious. Someone said it on one of my other videos. The only thing that's missing is a nice fat tall glass of milk. Red cap milk. That's how I do, you know, whole milk. No, that skim crap. Very warm. Should have let it cool down a little more, but can't help myself. Unbelievable. So thank you guys for watching this one. I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate the comments. We got a few new subscribers. That's cool too. I know not everybody's into the 18th century thing. I understand, that's fine, but I am, so I'm going to keep doing it. Kudos to the Townsend channel for recommending this. This is an older video I ran across the other day, and it was titled like a must-try bread pudding or something like that, so he recommended it, so I figured I'd give it a shot, and he was absolutely right. Well worth it to give this one a shot. Unreal. So, take it easy guys. Cheers.